Welcome to Shri Narayana Vidyalaya Kanhan online class. Subject Mathematics, Standard 5. Chapter 12, Perimeter and Area. Students, after finishing of the word problems, we begin this graph work. Here, perimeter of rectangle ABCD. Where is rectangle ABCD? This one is rectangle ABCD. ABCD. Here you have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. So using ruler, just measure AB, length of AB, then measure length of BC. If you will get the length of AB and BC, just write its at. If the length of AB is 4 centimeter, then length of CD is also 4 centimeter. If length of BC is 2 centimeter, then length of AD is 2 centimeter. So in this way you have to add all sides to find the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. Similarly, perimeter of rectangle EFGH, this one, and PQRS square and this rectangle, you have to find the perimeter by solving in your classwork copy, and then write answers here in your textbook too, in this box. Now let's start area revision. On the figures above here, all these are the figures given above. Figure A, B, C, D. This one A, B, C, D have 6 squares in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many squares overall? 6 squares here. So each inside it means that its area is 6 square centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 square is of 1 square centimeter. So here overall 6 squares are present. So the area of this square is 6 square centimeter. Similarly, you have to find the area of this square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 squares are inside it. So area of this square is 9 square centimeter. Here EFGH, this square has its area of 4 square centimeter. 1, 2, 3 and 4 box are present inside this square. Hence the area of this square is of 4 square centimeter. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the area of this rectangle is 5 square centimeter. Now look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 squares are present inside this rectangle. So the square of this rectangle is 8 square centimeter. I hope you understand. Make all these figures in your classwork copy. Take one graph paper and draw the figures as given here as it is. That's all for now. Thank you.